Are you looking for info about woodworking plans? You are in the right place. Woodworking is a fulfilling craft that allows you to create amazing projects. In this video, we'll guide you through woodworking plans. One common mistake is not choosing the right plan. Before starting, always check if it suits your skill level. Avoid this by reading reviews of the plans. The second mistake is picking plans with unclear instructions. Ensure you select easy woodworking plans that guide you step by step. Finally, many forget to gather all materials beforehand. Always prepare your woodworking supplies in advance to save time. Now, let's address the top 3 questions people ask about woodworking plans. First, where can I find quality plans? There are some resources that offer diverse and affordable options. Second, how many different types of plans are available? There are plans for every skill level, from basic to advanced projects. Lastly, can I find help if I struggle with a plan? Yes, many online forums and communities are eager to assist. The first 50 plans are on us. Click the link in the description. Start your woodworking journey today.